Hey guys, when I hit that branch in the lake, let's see if I can prop this up so you can see right here, see it's discolored. Because if I hold this and turn the propeller, it's just going to spin in it. See, check it out. Yeah, it's fried. So, I don't know, I might have to make another cable, or, I don't know, might be able to shim it. But, yeah, could have been worse, could have ripped the whole rudder and everything off. Could have just tore it all off the back. But I wasn't going very fast, so that was the good thing about it. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Bye.